Dan's Guitar Lessons. This week's episode, the A chord. Looks like it's about time for another guitar lesson video. Shall we begin? Chichi says yes, so I say yes. And then together, that'll be 2 yeses, and that should be enough to get us started, I think. Yeah, so let's begin. Thank you for joining us again. I know it's been a while since my last episode. I wanted to apologize. I was just on vacation and doing other things, working. So this week's episode is going to be the A chord. It's one of my favorite chords. You've probably heard it a billion times in almost every single song. We'll start off with the bottom string. You're not going to touch that string. Okay, so we're not playing the bottom string whatsoever. The next lowest string happens to be the A string, which is perfect because we're playing the A chord. And this is what that sounds like. You can really hear the richness of the tone woods and the nitrocellulose lacquers, the spruce top and the mahogany back and sides. All right, so that's the A string. The next string that we're going to be playing is the next highest string, and I like to use just my finger to play the whole chord. Some people use 3 fingers to play the chord. I just use one and just put it across. So I'll be laying my finger across the 2nd fret of the 3rd lowest string, the 3rd highest string, and the 2nd highest string. And then the highest string is just going to be open. And let's hear what that sounds like. So you can do some variations with that chord and make it a little fancy. I like to do stuff like this. We can add some other chords in and just make a little song here. So. All right, so now that we got the A chord going, we can throw in a few other chords and try to make a little riff. And I can show you some little fingering variations that I like to do on the A chord to make it sound a little fancy. Things like this. That sounds pretty, so... Okay, so what are some of the things that makes the A chord special? One of the things is that it's a very easy chord to play. I just use one finger to play the entire chord. Just my index finger, lay it across the 3 strings here. There you go. And you can do a lot of cool little variations with the A chord. So, the A chord. Always a fun time. Always easy to include in any of your songs, as long as it's part of the key. Why not the A chord? That's what I gotta say. Until next time, have a wonderful day. Goodbye.